Imagine this for a few minutes. You wake up in the morning, still tired, you pick up your phone as usual. You open Snapchat, the place where you store all your memories, your snaps from years back, important conversations, even moments that not even the closest people in your life have ever seen. But today, something different happens. You open Snapchat and find it hacked. Your account is hacked. You try logging in again, but the password you've used for years doesn't work. You take a deep breath, thinking maybe you typed it wrong. You try again. Still doesn't work. That's when your heart starts beating fast, really fast. You open your email to get a verification, but you're met with something that completely breaks your heart. The email has been changed. You try your phone number, that too has been changed. You stay quiet for a few seconds, trying to accept one thing. Someone right now is seeing your memories, your pictures, your stories, everything. Something that belongs to you, something that's personal. You feel a mix of fear, anger, and pain. You start thinking, what if they're deleting your memories? What if they're messaging people using your name? What if they're misusing your pictures? But listen, even though everything seems messed up, there is still hope. And in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step, calmly and clearly, on how to recover your account, how to remove the hacker, and how to protect your Snapchat forever.
Open the Snapchat app, and after it opens, click Login. You will be taken to the login page where you will be required to enter your username or email, or even your phone number to log in, and enter the password of the account. Because our account has been hacked and we cannot access it, you will go to the section Forgot Password. After tapping Forgot Password, you will be taken to the section for resetting the password. Please choose how you want to reset your password. Here, you can choose the method that will allow you to receive a code to fill in so that you can reset a new password and continue using your account as usual. This method will be used by those whose accounts have been hacked, but their important information, such as email and phone number, has not been changed. After finishing this method, I will guide you on how to recover the account if the email and phone number have been changed. Okay, we will start with the email method. Tap on Via Email. Let's confirm your email. Here, you need to enter the email that you are using on the account so they can send the code and allow you to regain access to your account. After filling in the email, click Send Confirmation Code. You will be sent a code, and then you will be taken to the field where you will enter the code that was sent to you. As you can see here, I have been sent the code in my email, and once I enter those codes, the account is already recovered. If we go back to the section, please choose how you want to reset your password. If you choose via phone, you will be taken to the page for entering your number, the Find Snapchat account page. Enter the phone number you used to create your Snapchat account. Press Submit. Once the code has been sent to you, it will verify automatically, and you'll see you are taken back to the Snapchat app. Allow all permissions. Then go to the settings area to put strong security measures so you won't get hacked again. When you enter Settings, go to the section labeled Password. When you tap that section, you will be taken to the field for changing your password. Enter your new password, then confirm the password. After confirming, save it. If you have not succeeded in recovering the account using that method, or the hacker has changed the phone number and email, Use this method to recover it. Contact Snapchat support. Open your browser and type Snapchat Help Center, then search. You will be shown the support page. Click it. After the Snapchat support page opens, go to the section written "My account was compromised." You will be taken to a page where you fill in your username, email, and mobile number that you are using on your account. After that, go to the section "How can we help with your Snapchat account?" In this section, you need to write information about the challenge you faced. I will write this. Hello Snapchat support team. I believe my Snapchat account has been hacked. The hacker has changed my password and I can no longer access my account. I am the original owner of this account and I would like to recover it as soon as possible. Here are my account details. Username, your Snapchat username, email address linked to the account, your email if still accessible, phone number linked to the account, your phone number if still accessible. Last time I successfully accessed the account, approximately date. Please guide me on how to verify my identity and recover my account. I am willing to provide any additional information you may need. Thank you for your help and support. Best regards, your full name. Then press submit. At this point, you will have successfully set your information to the Snapchat Help Center team so they can restore your account quickly. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Snapchat account. Remember to use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and stay alert for suspicious activity. Your account is now safe and secured.